In this video we're giving an honest review of the Delta SkyMiles Blue American Express card, what it offers, who it's best for, and what to know before applying. This no annual fee card is ideal for occasional Delta flyers who want to earn miles on everyday spending. Cardholders earn 2 miles per dollar on eligible Delta purchases and at restaurants worldwide, including takeout and delivery, while all other purchases earn 1 mile per dollar. New members can also earn a 10,000-mile bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 6 months. One of the card's standout perks is 20% back on eligible in-flight purchases with Delta, such as food and beverages, credited as a statement credit. The card also has no foreign transaction fees, making it a convenient choice for international travel. On the flip side, this card lacks many premium benefits found on higher-tier Delta cards. There's no free checked bag, priority boarding, or lounge access, and the overall rewards rate is modest compared to other travel credit cards. For frequent flyers seeking more perks, a higher-tier Delta SkyMiles card may offer better value. Overall, the Delta SkyMiles Blue American Express card is a good option for casual Delta travelers who want to earn miles without paying an annual fee. If this review helped you, make sure to subscribe for more honest and practical credit card reviews.